Manipur Langakna Yengsin Bidabadagi Fibam Soktuna Lairakiva Khuman Lampak Interstate Bus Terminus Ngasidagi Amuk Hanna Governor Ajay Kumar Valana Service Taupa Hohankre. Governor Valana Bus Terminus Asi World Class Transport Hub ki thakta semgatkani haikibaga loinana state asigi district mapan gi tongan ba mafam tarani thoida chengadaba passenger bus service su lamthaki terminus asidagi passenger bus service haukiba mafam sing adudi Imphal dagi None, Imphal Tamelong, Imphal Urkhul, Imphal Kamjong, Imphal Wabagai, Imphal Sugnu, Imphal Yaingangpokpi, Imphal Sandel, Imphal Laishangthem, Imphal Moirang, Imphal Kakching amadi Imphal dagi Yairipok Fauvani. Manipur gi PR Langakna Senjau Thadaduna Nauna Semgat Kiba bus terminus asina Piga Dauriba passenger bus service asida Kuki Shingna Namna Kundaba Chuchanpur Faijol Amadi Kangpokpi district ki oinadi yaudri bus terminus asi Hodokpaga Mari Lainana Governor Valana Ziribam None Kakching Amadi Faijol district ki district transport office singsu governor na Mafam asidagi virtual motta hangdoki Tauramaduda governor na Miam gi chathok chasinda Khudong chanaba Hodokhiba terminus asi matam khara mathau tauram labasu mapungfana service tauba ngamdana lakpani ngasidi amuk hana service Hodokpa asina Miam gi chathok chasinda chauna kanaba ama piragani Khongthang asina Miam gi lantum sing asi mafam chana sizinari haiba adu utpangamle haiki Ningsing Bayabadi Khuman Lampak Isbt asi Kumjali Shingani Taramathoi December ahumda matam aduki Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Amadi UPA gi Chairperson Sonia Gandhi na Sangakibani adubu chahi mangarom nongkhang chaiduna Lairaklaba matung Kumjali Shingani Taraga Taruki November Taraga Tarukta Mathau Tauba Hauki Laibak Thibadagi COVID-19 Laichat Lakpadagi Bus Terminus asi Quarantine Center oina Sizinabadagi Hanna Yengbidabandagi Maram Oiraga Fibam Soktuna Lakpani, Fibam Soklaba Isbt gi Matangda, Haukiba Chahi gi August Kunga Nipandasu, Impact News na Miamda Paudam Kraba Matung, Langak na Semzinba Haukibani.
Reactivation of Isbt symbolizes our collective resolve to ensure that public infrastructure serves the rightful purpose, efficiently, responsibility and for the welfare of people. It's just like not a transport terminal, it's an essential link that binds our state to the wider national network. By restoring its full functionality, we are strengthening connectivity within the districts, region, neighboring states and rest of India. I appeal to people of Manipur to treat the Isbt as their own, keep it neat and clean. Let's maintain its cleanliness together, respect its facilities, follow rules and protect it from misuse. Public assets are built with public funds and these are public places. 24/7 we can't put the police there, check and all.